everyone, in this video I want to explain very easily what's the difference between one-to-one field and foreign key and many-to-many field. Just look at this. First model is one-to-one field, second model is foreign key, third model is many-to-many field. This is admin page and first model one-to-one field. I make first data. I make second data. I make third data. I make fourth data. I make fifth data. Or I cannot make any more data because user interface 1 with this user already exists. We can make just 4 data. 5 data no. We can make just 4 data, okay? We can make additional data anymore, okay? Let's go to foreign key. I make first data. I make second data. I make third data. I make fourth data. I make fifth data. Or it's possible. You can make very much data. You can make a lot of data as much as you want, okay? And go to many-to-many field. Many-to-many field, you can choose many people, okay? You can choose many people. You can choose many people. You can choose many people. If it is helpful for you, please like and subscribe, okay? Thanks so much. Bye bye.